video, I'm going to be sharing an amazing opportunity for you guys where you're going to be able to share your passion with the rest of the world by writing an amazing story and making money in return. It's going to be a fun ride. You're going to be able to earn up to $5,000. So if you want to know how to do it, then make sure that you hover your mouse on. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. So if you're a complete beginner, this is absolutely perfect for you because it is beginner friendly. It's convenient, it's accessible, and you're still going to be able to earn almost $5,000 just by using whatever device you already have and also having an internet connection, and that's pretty much it. You can do it from anywhere all over the world, so it's completely free, it's super duper easy, and it's so enjoyable. So sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, make sure you finish this video until the very end so that you guys won't miss anything important, so you know how to sign up and the stories that you can write. So let's jump right into it. So the platform that I am actually talking about is called Starry Writing. So starrywriting.com is a writing platform wherein you're able to keep track of your stories and publish them. And now what I love about Starry Writing is that it's super user friendly and it is super accessible to anyone and everyone, especially to beginners. So I thought, why not share this with my subscribers, since it's amazing additional income or an amazing opportunity online for those people who especially love writing. So that's why I thought maybe I should just show it to you guys, and I know you guys are gonna love it. So starrywriting.com also offers free online classes to help you guys improve your writing skills. Sure, we all begin with talent, we have talent, but then sometimes we still need to improve, we need to develop. So Star Writing is not only going to pay you to write a book, it will also give you an opportunity to learn and to improve and to develop and to progress. So it's absolutely amazing, right? There are other perks available for new writers since Starry Writing is committed to increasing the number of online writers, because after all, this isn't a growing industry to bring in new writers. They've set up, a lot of bonuses that you can earn from, even if you're just sitting at home, and I'm going to be showing it to you on their website. Now, let's go ahead and check it out. So let's take a look at the website first. And I want you to scroll down the page. As you can see, we have create. Users can create new stories by simply clicking here. You're free to write anytime and anywhere. Now, what you want to do on top, you can see that we have a contest over there. If you click on it, you're going to be brought to this page where you can see ongoing contests for writers. And we are going to go through that later, okay? But now I want you to click on Discover and then Use. And then we'll be seeing some announcements like Author of the Month and a whole lot more on this page. So now click on Benefits, and they will show you a glimpse basically, or the gist of what you can earn or make as a new writer on this website. So obviously you can download their app by clicking on just one button over here on the side. Again, you can do this on your phone. It's available for Android and iOS devices. You can also change the language on the website. It's available worldwide, no matter whatever language you speak. As long as you can speak and write in English, you can actually use a strategy. So, how can we make money? But first, if you guys want to earn some more money, I want you guys to check out the links in the description box down below. We've created those links especially for our subscribers and for our viewers if you guys want to make some more money online. So make sure you check out those links and click on it. Also, please leave a comment down below stating your favorite payment method, the country that you're from, and also include what other videos you'd like to see in our future videos, because it will be based completely off of all of your suggestions. We'd love to read through them and get some ideas. So make sure that you do that, and let's get back into the video. So, like I said a while ago, I want to show you the ongoing contests that they have. Okay, you're going to click on contest, and as you can see here, there are a lot of contests that you can actually join in. These are the cash prizes for that you can earn, that you can actually grab. So it's huge, right? So are you up for it? Your story has the possibility to actually be read by different writers, by different people from all over the world. So what exactly can you write on Starry? So there are story themes, and these are some of the themes here. If you want to select one, you're going to find some references, which would give you some additional information about the story that you actually want to write. So there are some examples from which you probably want to get inspiration from, but you can also just write your own stories if you're unfamiliar with the themes or you have a completely different setting in your mind. No problem, especially because they do offer writing courses like I've mentioned, so you can also contact their support group where you're going to be able to meet other writers that you can connect with, and maybe they can help you advance your writing career. And how you can join, well, what's the best way to get started here? And these are the steps. If you're enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet, because you're not going to regret it. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell beside it so that every time we post a new video, you're going to be the first to know and you're going to be the first to make money out of all of my lovely subscribers. So make sure that you do that, and let's continue. So the first step is to create your story on starrywriting.com, right? The second is you're going to tag the story with Starry Writing Academy. And then the third step is to click apply for contract to submit your story for review as soon as it exceeds 3,000 words. And the fourth is to remember to write contest themes in the blurb of your story. So there you have it. You can join the contest in just 4 easy steps. So if you want to join and participate in the contest, all you have to do is click on join now on the bottom, and then as soon as you've clicked on join now, you're then going to be redirected to this page where you're going to be taken into the login page, which is the first page that we actually saw. So you can either log in through Google, Facebook, or email. It's up to you. And this is what you're going to be seeing once you've successfully logged in. You guys are going to be receiving a welcome message. It says a letter from Starry Writing, welcome. And here is a one-stop writing platform for you to express your love of writing. You can write, edit, publish your story with your PC and mobile phone. You can share a story with more than 100 million readers worldwide on Dream, Ringnam Slash, and Novel, etc. Starry Writing has different platforms and apps, so this year their benefits were ramped up to attract more writers to join their platform. So first, there's publication and adaptation in 2022. They will offer over 50 publication chances to the writers, as well as many more adaptation opportunities. Second, honor and promotion. Outstanding writers will win the Superb Awards, which will be promoted across Starry-owned platforms and broadcasted to audiences around the world. Third, there's a new story bonus. Every signed story with more than 30,000 words gets a 50 bonus. And fourth, daily updates bonus. There is a 150 bonus for updating daily in a calendar month. And finally, there's a completion bonus. The completed story with more than 100,000 words will receive a $150 bonus and another 500 bonus with more than 300,000 words. Once you're ready to begin your writing career, you're going to click on OK. So this is your homepage, and this is where you're going to see your income. And since we're still new, it's still going to be $0 for your stories income, and then your dashboard comments and inbox are all here. So if you're ready to create a brand new story, you can click on new story. So when I say a story, it doesn't mean that the story has to be finished, okay? It could simply be the first chapter. It doesn't have to be completed right away. Maybe it's an ongoing story, just like webcomics or maybe novels. And if you're good to just let your imagination flow and go wild and begin writing, you can write about something that you love or just feel so strongly about, like more of what you already know, right? Especially when you're just starting. And I guess you shouldn't hope for too much, because based on experience, because you don't want to get too disappointed. So if you're going to write about something, make it something that you're proud to read, something that you want to talk about, something that you want to write about, something you know you'll enjoy and your audience will enjoy. That's what you have to keep in mind. Now, don't be discouraged if the outcome isn't the way that you expected it to be. What matters is that you started, and sooner or later, you're just gonna have so much money and it's gonna be insane. So, don't forget to share this with everyone you know. You're gonna be able to earn, you're even gonna be able to help other people earn. So, make sure that you do this, and that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.